3 in 3 for Rajasthan Royals this season so far.
Very satisfying, obviously. I mean, it's always good to start well in this tournament, and we have started really well. 3 in 3 is a great start. Again, at one point today, it looked like that we might not have a game. But it was good to have a game and then to win it like this. Extremely satisfying. And the way we batted.
First ball against Bumrah, he hits a 6.
Not to forget the 200s that he has. He's such a fine player, Yashasvi Jaiswal.
I'm just trying my best, learning from my seniors, seeing them putting hard yards every time when they go. So I try to put in myself how I can develop different type of games. So I think there's a lot to improve. So I'm actually really enjoying it because the different challenges comes with different formats. So I really love it. I really enjoy it.
One more, and this will go the distance.
I mean, I've said this many times before. I think he's a very special talent. The way he's been playing and the way he's been playing all 3 formats, whenever he has gotten an opportunity, it's extremely satisfying. Very special player, works really, really hard on his game. And it's great when he gets the results as well.
Pick up shot, fielder will watch it sail over.
It's quite exciting because I've been suffering with a lot of niggles. So I've been working a lot in the gym and learning how to make myself better on the ground. So I think I'm just enjoying a lot.
Thing is, I mean, the biggest strength Yash has is basically the belief that he has in himself. So if he believes that he can do something, he'll go all out for that and he'll achieve that.
Cuts hard, and that'll be his 50.
I think it was quite exciting because we know that we are going to play only 11 overs game. So there was only around 3 overs. We had the power plays and I wanted to cash in the power play. So the minute I understand, okay, I can take Deepak Bhai. So I was hitting it well. So I thought, okay, this is the over where I go. So the flow came in. So I started planning, okay, who I can score runs. Because this wicket was pretty good today to bat. So I think whatever I was thinking, it was going on the right track, and Weber was giving me a lot of support. He was playing really good shots as well. So I think it was fun.